Model, 2014 Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 Diesel 2.0 TDI 140PS Window Van Automatic DSG Spares OR Repairs Low miles 67k. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 67,189. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSB. Transmission, front-wheel drive automatic. Mechanical summary, non-runner turns over won't fire. Engine sounds good, not sure if it's a fuel issue, prepare for the worst, but this could be something simple. Waving hand, light skin tone, automatic gearbox looks no fine, shows no fault codes. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: aircon, electric windows, DSG, crew cab. EU status, Euro 5. HPI,